free penis exercise guide. I'm going to let you in on a big secret, absolutely free, that will get you started on making your penis bigger. The penis enlargement is a two-step process of exercises and supplements. I want to give you a comprehensive penis exercise guide, free. Now, you won't get the full effect of enlargement unless you combine the penis exercises with some specific natural health supplements, and some other tips and tricks. But at the very least, my free penis exercise guide, you will be on your way to making your penis bigger. We all know that penis exercises alone don't work. However, there is a way to get a bigger penis using the Penis Enlargement Bible and exercises. It's a simple two-step process. Let me talk you through it so you fully understand how it works. First, you get the biochemicals back into the body which caused penis enlargement. These are exactly the same biochemicals which caused growth when you were first going through puberty. They are the things that make your penis grow. Without them, penis enlargement is impossible. It just won't happen. Second, you can do exercises to speed up the process. These are what act as the accelerator. I know some people believe that exercises alone will make your penis bigger, but they don't. If you've used them before, you know this. This is a free penis exercises video that will really help you with learning about jelqing. I know that it can be tempting to spend money on some of the non-free penis exercises guides out there. But, if you're thinking of buying a jelqing system, don't. You can watch my free penis exercises video right now. There is no need to give me your email address. There are no hidden charges. You can get the system right here and get your free penis exercises on your desktop. Free penis exercises exposed. You may be wondering why I've chosen to give away a free penis exercises system. You may be thinking it's bad. It's not. You may be thinking it can't be free. It is. In actual fact, I've made sure it's better than all of the paid-for products out there. There are two reasons why I'm giving you this penile exercise program for free. The first is that I want to be cool and helpful. The second is that free penis exercises alone don't actually work to make your penis bigger. Free penis exercises giveaway. More about penis exercises. That said, they will help you with erection hardness. Also, if you use the right method, they work to accelerate growth. They help to add inches to your penis through a natural process. It works like this. First, you need to trick the body into restarting natural puberty-style penis enlargement. This is a way of getting your body to cause penis growth once more, just like when you were going through puberty. So, to be clear, the free penis exercises will help with a complete penis enlargement system, but using free penis exercises alone will not make your penis bigger. This is a trap that people who sell you non-free penis exercises make you fall for. They make you believe that penis exercises alone will make your penis bigger. Wrong. You need to get your body working with you. The free penis exercises that I'm sharing are simply part of the process. You do this by starting the chain reactions that were cut off when puberty ended. When you trick the body into restarting the chain reactions, your penis will grow again. And guess what? These free penis exercises help to speed up the growth process. The beauty of the free penis exercises is that you can use them and discover the secrets to all of this natural growth. How free penis exercises help to accelerate penis growth. The free penis exercises help to speed up growth because they hold these biochemical that we've forced to reappear in the body, in the penis for longer. The receptors in the penis then react with the biochemical and growth takes place. The longer you hold the blood in the penis, through use of these free penis exercises, the faster the penis will grow. This is the key to natural penis growth. You've probably figured out by now, as I did, that pills don't work, pumps don't work, extenders don't work. It took me a while to figure out. The key to actually increasing penis size is going with the body, naturally, rather than going against it, which is what all those methods I've just mentioned try to do. The free penis exercises, combined with biochemical enlargement, are the secret to getting the biggest penis of anyone you know. Have the free penis exercises but remain cautious about paying for products. There is a ton of bad literature about enlargement in general. It's best to get a solid view of exactly what you need to make your penis bigger. These free penis exercises are a start. The problem with most things out there is that they are a scam. Free penis exercises aren't, because they're free. But even most exercises are. How to use the free penis exercises guide. My advice is to take the time to try some free penis exercises and to think about if you really want a bigger penis. If you do, I can help you to achieve your goal. If you don't, it's totally cool. Enjoy the video. How the free penis exercises guide will benefit you. You'll learn about real penis enlargement. You'll learn about safely using penis exercises. You'll learn how to spot genuine products over cam ones. You'll learn more about your penis. You'll have harder erections. You'll know part of a real, successful and effective system. You have nothing to lose. It's totally free. Something more to look at as well as the free penis exercises. To learn more about biochemical enlargement, check out the increase penis size video. It's fun, informative and it could help to turn you from a flop to a stud with the ladies. Be sure to also watch the associated exercise videos. Take care. P.S. These free penis exercises rock, so tell your friends.